So you're considering an Edge. Good timing, because Ford has updated their midsize 5-passenger SUV for the 2019 model year, keeping it a compelling choice. Though most Ford shoppers opt for the smaller Escape or larger Explorer, the venerable Edge is still a big volume player for the brand. It has staying power, name recognition, and has long since received positive reviews from me. Built upon Ford's CD4 platform, which also underpins products such as the Fusion and Lincoln Continental, this second-generation Edge debuted for the 2015 model year and moves into 2019 refreshed with a new look and a host of new features. The 3.5-liter V6 has been replaced across the board by this 2-liter turbo, making marginally more horsepower than before, and mated to a new 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering relatively impressive fuel economy of 23 mpg on regular unleaded. Rated at 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque on 93 octane, a little less when running on the recommended 91 and minimally acceptable 87, this twin-scroll EcoBoost engine continues to be a satisfying fit here, delivering the refinement of a larger displacement motor with the advantage of besting its competitors at the gas pump, thanks largely to the 2019 model's additional 2 gears, a new all-wheel drive disconnect feature that automatically shifts power from the front wheels to all 4 wheels in a fraction of a second as conditions necessitate, and improved aerodynamics, including active grille shutters that open and close as needed. However, its 426-mile driving range is down a little from last year because this Edge carries a smaller gas tank. The Edge has distinct personality traits that make it an enviable SUV, including its soft, supportive front seats, a commanding view driving position that's reminiscent of a minivan's with its more upright nature, and a very supple ride quality accompanied by relaxed yet precise driver controls that clearly communicate premium. The cabin is very quiet too, which always helps push the luxury narrative. This loaded titanium trim adds in just about everything a premium SUV owner could want, including a wireless charge pad, a panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled front seats, and a hands-free foot-activated liftgate. But when you offer a safety suite called Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist Plus, and it doesn't include a 360-degree camera, so you get a 180-degree camera, but that's it. New safety tech like post-collision braking is standard, and this Edge includes extra features such as evasive steering assist and lane centering that gives the driver a little help staying on the straight and narrow when using the adaptive cruise control with stop and go. So there's a multitude of electronic helpers here, but still not as many as I'd like to see at this lofty price. The 2019 updates have helped both in terms of the exterior appearance and, to a lesser degree, the cabin ambiance, where the Edge possesses a premium feel in terms of its super comfortable seats, high-quality leather, and hushed quietness. But there are a handful of goodies that are missing here that reveal its true age. There's no heads-up display, no multiple drive mode settings, no lock for the all-wheel drive, no sliding rear seats or USB ports in the back, no window sunshades either. And at $48,000, those omissions are not acceptable. Just ask the Hyundai Santa Fe. I also miss having an automatic brake hold feature for times when I'm stuck in traffic to give my right foot a rest. The new Rotary Gearshift is cool, the changeable ambient lighting is a conversation piece, and the 12-speaker B&O Play premium audio system is a nice get. There's also a foot-activated liftgate, excellent cargo room, remote seat switches, and some underfloor storage. But even with the panoramic roof, the cabin feels a little dark and claustrophobic. So while I appreciate the edgier styling, no pun intended, 20-inch wheels, and gorgeous ruby red paint, and love the comfort the Edge provides along with its tuned driving acumen, fact is that the new Hyundai Santa Fe Ultimate is exceedingly more modern for $8,000 less. That's a big price difference for the nuanced advantages the Edge provides. I really do like it, but I'd like it a lot more for about $40,000. If this titanium all-wheel drive elite package is too rich for your blood, The 2019 Edge starts at $31,000 with 4 trim levels available. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.